Hi, my name is Carlos Nunez. I've been with James Hardie for 7.5 years. I'm the technical sales manager for Southern California. So my territory is from Bakersfield to the coast, down to the San Diego border, and then I cover Las Vegas as well. Our products are composed of 90% Portland cement and sand, 10% cellulose fibers and water, and they're designed for low maintenance and high durability. What that means for the homeowner is that your house will look beautiful for a lifetime. As far as fire rating, all our products are Class A fire rated, which means zero flame spread, and we are also WUI certified. Products with a Class A designation have a higher rating than WUI approved products, and WUI, by the way, is Wild and Urban Life interface, so basically the fire prone areas. Fiber cement, as a matter of fact, is used to calibrate the testing for WUI, and our products are also CAL FIRE approved. Our products are also engineered for climate, which means they're manufactured based on the climate in your area. For coastal California, that means they resist hurricane force winds, salty sea air, and humid heat. In the mountain areas, they're made to resist freeze thaw and harsh winter conditions. Our products are also engineered to resist cracking, splitting, rotting, and because they're composed of 90% cement, woodpeckers and termites will not be attracted to it. Our lap siding board and bat, they're 5/16 is the thickness on our regular products. And then we go to our premium products, like our Artisan line, which is 5/8 thick, which is twice the thickness as our regular lap siding and board and batten. This is a more modern and contemporary product. It's an upgrade from the 5/16 product. And we also have architectural panel, which is also 5/16. This allows for unlimited design on the wall, and it comes with metal trims at the corners and also in between the panels. We have metal trims that go in between the panels, so you can cut these panels down to size, whatever size you want. With the Artisan line, because it is 5/8 thick, you can actually miter the corners on this product, and it has a nice return around that corner. It also has deeper shadow lines to give more depth on the wall. Our warranty is a 30-year non-prorated warranty. It's an industry-leading warranty on all siding, soffit, fascia, and trim. What that means is 29 years and 363 days into the warranty, you still have a full warranty up to the 30 years. James Hardie was founded in 1888, so we've been in business for over 135 years. We're featured on over 10 million homes in North America. We are the largest fiber cement manufacturer in North America. We have 10 plants throughout the U.S., strategically located so that they can locally source, and all of our products are proudly made in the USA. So we do have some stories where, in the recent fires in Altadena and the Palisades, where one in particular, we had just finished a project that had our architectural panel and our Artisan product on it. There was a car in the driveway that was completely burned, and the house itself was intact because it had James Hardie siding on it. So it's a testimony of how great James Hardie is, especially in the WUI areas. You can look us up at www.jameshardie.com, or you can contact your local Hayward Lumber for pricing and service.